Is it possible to turn $25 into a $100,000 business? I'm starting this brand new YouTube series to document this journey. I'm starting this case study because I want to see if the all-in-one $25 business can actually turn in a $100,000 per year business. And they say you could achieve this in 12 months or less. And I'm curious if this works and if I can do it. So what is the all-in-one $25 digital business? So it's basically $25 per month, and it's absolutely insane what you get for $25. You get a landing page builder to build and create sites like this, a lot of online marketing training, and you get 80% commission for every sale. I don't know an affiliate program where you get this for just $25. And you also get a complete business in a box. The products are done, website is done, you get the sales funnel, you have pre-written emails, customer service is done for you. So it's like they say, you're getting a completely done and ready to go business in a box that pays commissions for you. This system is amazing, and I think you have to join it if you want a low startup cost business. For example, if you want another funnel builder like ClickFunnels, you pay $97 a month. So this is a fraction. And this is the simple 3-step plan for this offer, and this is also the 3-step plan for this case study. How to get into profit. It's basically 2 sales. They will give you 80% residual income. That means you get month after month $25 for every person you sign up. And this is my first step to get 2 quick sales so that I'm in profit. And then to the second step, if I want to get to the 100K per year, I need 1 to 2 sales per week. And the step 3 is a bonus, skills to have income for life. Now I want you to show this. One sale, just one sale can turn into $74,800 per year. It's 1 sale per week. If you manage to get 2 sales for the all-in-one business, it's up to almost $150,000 per year. And if you're able to get more sales, it's a lot more money. This is absolutely mind-blowing. 1 sale per week can generate you almost $75,000 yearly income. If you want to join me on this journey, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. And the link to this $25 business is in the description. Go and sign up. It's just $25 and I think you won't regret it. In the next videos, I'm showing you how to get everything together, how to set up your funnels, and how to promote this. And I'm also going to create a case study for this journey, so it's easier for you to follow the process. I hope you join and that we are making a ton of money with this all-in-one $25 business.